Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel Oh Priya. I am Priya. I am a science teacher by profession, and on this channel I talk a lot about books that I intend to read. I review them once I read, and I recommend books if I like it, or I tell you if I do not like it. And also in future I intend to be making a lot of videos related to English speaking abilities, productivity, how to strike a perfect balance between work and life. If all these topics interests you, please do consider liking the video and subscribe to my video. Come join me on this journey. Let us grow together, and click on that notification bell so that you will get to know next time when I will upload a video. So without any further delay, let's quickly begin today's review session. From the title of the video, you already know that I will be reviewing about the book Grit by Angela Duckworth. This is Angela Duckworth. I heard her TED talk and I was so impressed with her speech that I instantly bought this book and I started reading it right away. But once I finished this book, I was not very happy. In fact, at some places I was disappointed, and I'll tell you why exactly I felt this way in the later part of the video. Let us start with what is good about this book. Okay. The main ethos of the book, or the main message of this book, is she has come up with this unique formula. Or by the way, the word grit means, it's the word itself means a combination of passion and perseverance. Okay, and the main equation that she comes with is that is, talent multiplied by effort gives skill, and skill multiplied by effort gives achievement. What she means to say is that in order to achieve something, in order to be successful in life, obviously talent matters, but effort matters twice as much. That is what she comes up with, and in order to prove this formula or this equation, she comes up with a lot of amazing examples ranging from high performing students in their academics, and world class athletes, and most successful CEOs, etc. Basically, there are 5 or 6 lessons that I have learned from this book. I'll just quickly mention the 5 lessons. Basically, the first is 80% of success in life is about showing up. That is, we need to show up even when things get hard or boring or non-exciting. That is the first lesson. Second lesson is enthusiasm is common, endurance is rare. That is again the follow up of the first point. That is, it is very common to be excited about something new, a new project, etc. But what is rare is to have consistently working on that project or working on that thing without losing that excitement. That quality is rare. And the third point is deliberate practice is for preparation, and flow is for performance. That is, she mentions this, or she tries to explain this point with citing a lot of top performing athletes who practice deliberately day in and day out for hours and hours together, and when it is finally the moment to perform, then it happens in a flow state. That is what she mentioned. She tries to explain, giving a lot of examples. And the fourth point is you can always improve yourself, and we inherently believe that we are born with certain level of intelligence, but this can change. We can actually grow our intellect. That is the fourth point. And fifth is we have to practice optimistic self-talk. We already knew that, right? And also there is a sixth point: ask for a helping hand when in need. These were the 6 things that I have marked and came across. But however, we already knew these points, right? So this was exactly why I was disappointed. I didn't find anything unique, other than obviously the formula that she comes up with, that I will be putting down in the description box. And the book is 250 pages, okay, and the first 100 pages was really good. It was engaging and I read it very quickly. But after that, actually she went on repeating the same thing. She just stretched it unnecessarily. At times it becomes preachy and boring. She talks about what grit is, how grit can be grown, and how only grit is the only parameter, for success. And she tries to push her ideas on the viewers, on the readers. That is what I felt. I was not very happy with the I paid around 500 rupees for this book. So yeah, I was heartbroken. That is what I felt. And if you were to ask me about this book, I would say I would give this book 3 stars, and I wouldn't recommend you to buy this. There are far better books in the self-help category at a much reasonable rate. However, this is my personal opinion. If you like this book, please do write down in the comment section and let me know. Yeah, so that is it. So, and also I have written a beautiful poetry that she has mentioned in this book in the description box. Do check it out, and we will meet next week. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about it. Also tell me if you want me to review some books, and I'll do that. So yeah, have a happy reading experience. Take care. Bye.